Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create interactive prototypes in Figma step by step. Interactive prototypes allow you to connect different screens, create clickable buttons, add smooth animations, and test the user experience before development begins. Whether you're designing a mobile app, a website, or any user interface, prototypes help you demonstrate exactly how your design will work. If you're a beginner, don't worry. I'll explain everything in a simple way, so let's get started. First, I'll open Figma and create a new design file. Now I'll create two frames. The first frame will be my home screen, and the second frame will be the next screen. Next, I'll create a simple button. I'll press R to draw a rectangle, then press T to add the text, Get Started. I'll adjust the font size, change the button color, and round the corners to make it look like a real button. Now I'll select both the rectangle and the text so they work together as one button. Next, I'll switch to the Prototype tab on the right side of the screen. You'll notice a small blue circle on the button. I'll click and drag that blue circle to the second frame. This creates a connection between the two screens. Now I'll set the interaction. I'll choose on Click as the trigger, Navigate to as the action, and Smart Animate as the animation. I'll leave the animation duration at its default value. Everything is now connected. Next, I'll click the Present button in the top right corner to preview the prototype. As you can see, when I click the Get Started button, Figma smoothly navigates from the first screen to the second screen with an animation. This gives us a realistic preview of how users will interact with the final app or website. You can repeat the same process to connect more screens, create menus, build navigation flows, and design complete user experiences without writing any code. Interactive prototypes are a great way to test your ideas, share your designs with clients or team members, and identify problems before development starts. That's it. We've successfully created an interactive prototype in Figma. Now you know how to connect screens, create clickable buttons, add transitions, and preview your design like a real application. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Figma tutorials and design tips. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.